Hosting or Horizons versus Lovable. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which web builder is better for your online presence. So make sure to like and subscribe. Number one is their features and flexibility. Hosting or Horizons offers a drag and drop website builder with AI tools like blog support, responsive design, e commerce integration, and built in SEO features. It's ideal for beginners and small businesses who want fast results without coding. Next is Lovable. It focuses on ease of use and mobile optimization. It's a great choice for portfolios and LinkedIn bio websites. While it lacks deeper customization, it shines in simplicity and clean templates. Number two, their pricing. Hostinger Horizon is bundled with Hostinger's hosting plans, starting at a low monthly cost. It's often under $3 a month with coupons, and you will get hosting, email, SSL, and the builder all in one. On the other hand, Lovable is mostly free with optional paid upgrades for features like custom domains, analytics, and branding removal. Their premium plans are slightly more expensive compared to the value Hostinger offers when bundled. Number 3, e-commerce support. Hostinger allows you to run a small online store using its builder, with features like product listings, payment gateways, and stock management. While Lovable, however, is not designed for e-commerce, it supports buttons and links to external shops like Etsy, but it doesn't offer built-in store functions. Number 4, customization and design. Lovable gives you clean, simple templates but minimal control over the layout and elements, while Hosting or Horizons gives you more flexibility, adjustable layouts, design elements, fonts, and even basic HTML editing. Lastly, their support and ecosystem. Hostinger provides 24/7 live chat, a knowledge base, and access to hosting specific tools. It's part of a much larger ecosystem, including domains, emails, and VPS. While Lovable has a such smaller team, limited customer support, and fewer third-party integrations. So for final verdict, if you are building a portfolio or bio page and you want simplicity, you can go for Lovable. But if you need a flexible, feature-rich, and scalable platform, then you can go for Hosting or Horizons. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.